how to get the smoothest hairless skin ever. So if you're like me and your hair from the moment you shave already grows back the next day in the morning, this is the machine for you. I'm opening the IPL Nordic Glance for you, and this is the top machine that I've tried. It's been a month that I've been using, and I want to show you how I did it and how is the results. It has this cooling effect that really makes it painless. The iPad comes with a shaver, and then you need to shave your legs or whatever part of your body you would like to. And let's start it. It's painless, I promise you, and it's so easy. You can do this in the comfort of your home. Price is just great because most of IPLs are quite expensive. This is the best price I found. And voila, this is how my legs looks like after a month. So right now it's just starting to grow. Very few, as you can see, some dots over there. And it's unbelievable because it's been a month that I don't have to do anything.